Hello, this is Cyberdragon. Today I'm going to talk about is a bonus video for part 3. It'll tell you case by case study, go through the entire process, and you also can ask questions online at the United States Tax Lien Association. And it'll tell you how to invest in tax liens and tax deeds and the process from beginning to end. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos, and let's begin.
To that, we're going to invite you when you enroll today, and it's only through this presentation that you actually get access to these 2 tickets. Anyone who's ever seen Sean or I, or one of our experts, Steve Clements or someone else do a presentation, realize if you're going to come to a live training, our Fast Track to Success live training, which is a 2-day live hands-on intensive training, you have to pay $2,000 per ticket to attend. Well, when you enroll today, we're actually going to give you 2 tickets. So you're not going to have to pay for 2 tickets. With this program here today, you're going to get 2 tickets, and you can come to any of our live trainings here in the United States that we conduct. And what's beautiful about these live trainings, again, we understand that some people learn good by reading books and listening to audios, and some people learn good by watching online trainings. Well, our experience has been over the years is that a lot of people
no better training than
learn
live.
best, when you're face to face, hands-on, being shown exactly how
Two
to
full
do it.
days.
2
This
full
is
days.
intensive. I mean, we get into imagine this: coming into a conference room, you're going to be sitting at round tables where you have about 6 or 7 people at that table. You're going to be going over deals with that group as a peer group.
Yep.
People like you that are flying in from different places. So when you get the invitation in your email that says, "Hey, we've got a live event and it's going to be in Los Angeles or New York or Dallas or Chicago or whatever the case is," get on the plane, make the reservations, and make that happen.
Exactly. So, again, now if you look at the entire training now, I'm just going to recap real quick. You're going to get our 4 live 1-hour webinars with 1-hour strategy Q&A session. You're going to get our 2-day live hands-on intensive training. We're going to walk you through we're going to show you step by step how to do your first transaction, not only at the workshop, but on the live webinar. You're going to get our entire tax lien Bible success system, which you saw.
CDs, the DVDs, all of that is included.
And then unlimited expert advisory service with tax lien experts. And then the investment, and this is how it breaks down. Our 1-year program with our unlimited expert advisory service is $1,495. You have our tax lien Bible success system. That's the home study course. If you were to purchase that separately through our office or on our website, it would be $1,000. Our 4-week intensive webinar series, if you were to purchase that separately or via our website, that's $1,000.
And then tickets for the 2-day training are $2,000. Actually, that's for 1 ticket.
That's for 1 ticket.
Yeah. So with this, you get 2 tickets. So that's what you're looking at.
So here's the thing: there should be a button popping up on your screen right now to give you the opportunity to enroll. When you click that button, what you're going to be able to do is you're going to be able to enroll online. So the first 5 people who enroll right now are going to get the strategy session with either Sean or I. The first 20 people are going to have the opportunity to be in this one class, and then after 20, we're going to shut down registration.
Yeah, so if you click on it and it says standby, that means you're in a standby class.
Yeah.
And so you're not going to be able to make it. We shut it down.
What'll happen is there'll be a way for you to put your name and email address. Just submit your name and email address, and you will put and we'll put you on the waiting, and you'll be automatically put on the waiting list in the order that you will go on the list.
Right, absolutely.
Okay, so here's the investment today. So when you invest today, we're actually going to give you the tax lien Bible system for free. You don't pay for that today. We're going to give you the webinar series today for free. You don't pay for that today. And we're going to give you 2 tickets to our upcoming live trainings or any live training that you would like to attend in the future. So your total investment today is $1,495. Right now, what I would do if you want to be one of the first 5, go now. If you haven't went already.
Well, there's 4. The next 4 get it. There's already somebody that's got one of those spots.
Okay, excellent. And so the 1,400, and then we give you a 100% money back guarantee. I think it's important that we discuss.
Yeah,
that.
let me talk about that. I mean, Tony, the reason we do this is twofold. We'll get to that in a minute, but this is how it works. Get the kit. Go to the webinars. Go to the workshop. Listen to the CDs. Watch the DVDs. If this isn't everything that we've said it is and more, if we're not the most professional organization you've ever dealt with, simply pick up the phone, talk to our staff, and say, I quit. Now, they may ask you why, but the next thing they're going to have you do is ship that kit right back. And as soon as we get that back in our office, we give you a 100% refund on your money. No fuss, no muss. We've always done that.
Again, it's just good business. I mean, what it boils down to. And so we also understand, and again, this has been a request that we've received over the years. Some people say, well, I can't afford the entire $1,495 up front. Do you have a payment option? We do now. And here's the way it works. You can either pay in full $1,495, or we have a 3-pay option, which means you put $895 down right now.
Which gets you the kit.
You still get everything.
Yeah.
You get 100% of everything.
Right away.
Whether you do option 1 or option 2, everything stays the same as far as what you receive. And then we bill you 2 payments of $450, one in 30 days and one in 60 days if you want to do the 3-pay option. And you still receive the 100% money-back guarantee, even if you do the 3-pay option. So for those of you that are standing by right now, here's what I want you to do. Just click the Enroll Now button. And that's going to take you to a registration page where you put in all of your information. And here's what's going to happen next. Once you've enrolled, you're going to receive an email. And that email is going to give you it's what we call our welcome email. And it's going to give you detailed information about our program. It's going to give you a schedule of when your online trainings are happening. It's going to give you all of the information on how to get to your online trainings. It's going to give you all of the information on the email address to connect with our office, the proper telephone numbers if you're in the United States, the proper telephone numbers if you're international.
Make sure you mark that email as into your white folder so you can always get that. It won't be shoved over into your spam or anything else. That's important because this is how we're going to communicate. When that live conference comes up, we're going to send you out an email invitation on that.
Yeah, and so it's going to contain all of that information on how to get a hold of us, how to communicate with us, and again, we're going to ship off your home study course to you right away as well. As we're allowing people to enroll for our program, we're just going to go through a few more case studies, and these are actual case studies. And this, if you take a look at this property right here, fair market value $277,000. The tax lien amount was $3,890.
Paying 30%. 4-month redemption period. I remember this is Oak Street property. I remember this property.
That is Oak Street.
Yeah.
And what we want you to know, what's interesting is this property came off a list of over 11,000 tax lien certificates on this list, and every property on there paid 30%.
Every property, and they had been to several sales several times.
Yeah.
This was our assignment purchase list.
This was an assignment purchase list. They had a 4-month redemption period, and so it's just an extraordinary project. Here's another. This is a tax resale property deal. As you can see, the property is worth $107,000. The total purchase price was $1,800. It's on Calhoun Street, and they turned around and sold it for $84,900, which just really puts an emphasis on high interest rate, low redemption period types of tax lien investments. Tax resale property, showing you the other side. Here's some students of ours. They're out of California.
This is interesting. This is Deborah and Paul, and they came to us as students, and it was interesting. We talk about this in our conferences, the why factor. Why are you here? What's motivating you to make this thing happen? And, she says, well, I've been laid off of my job. I thought it's time for me to spend more time with the family and get going. All of a sudden, his hours got cut.
Yeah.
And now the why factor was like, I got to do something. And it was incredible. She literally followed our process step by step through the whole deal. And in part of that process is the ongoing practice that you're to do.
Well, remember, they've followed your advice and they did all of their transactions out of the retirement account.
Yeah, because when she left her company, they had a 401k that she had to roll over. I helped her do that whole process. She got it all rolled over, and here's what she says. She says, "We won. We can't believe it. Right here in our own backyard, we simply followed the guiding steps and the principles of the Get Tax Lien program we soaked up and learned in Houston." Now, remember, they're in Southern California, and they went to a class in Houston, so they wanted to make it happen right away. Awesome little deal. We're so excited about having our retirement funds work for us in a positive way. It's in real estate and out of the stock market. Now, instead of losing 30 to 50% on our retirement, we actually made close to $200,000 in one day acquiring this home with our retirement funds. Okay, so that is the value of the property. The value of the property had an equity of over $200,000. They turned around. They kept the property. They took a loan out against the property to invest that money, and then you know what they did? They got rent. So they're getting $1,600 a month rent from that. The support network that you have in place is incredible. It's the lifeline that keeps this opportunity real. Our experience has been a life-changing because of your program. We love this opportunity and so grateful for it. And here's the property right here. Here's a nice little property. Now, there's only one place in the country that a house like that could give you $200,000 in profit, and that would be Southern California.
Exactly.
The Los Angeles area. But no, really, that's a nice piece of property, with a nice little equity purchase on that. They pulled cash out of it in the retirement account to use that money. No consequences for doing it because they had the right retirement account set up, which we're going to show you how to do.
I mean, I hope our clients are really paying attention. I mean, if you really think about this last case study, $200,000, and I don't care who you are, is a ton of money. I mean, $200,000 is like change my career type of money, and that's one transaction. I mean, again, one transaction, $200,000. I mean, some people could take a couple of years off if they really wanted to. I mean, I wouldn't. I just keep doing more deals just like that, and we just want everyone to understand. Again, why not you? I mean, Paul and Deborah had, again, no background investing in real estate, no background in investing in tax certificates or tax deed properties. They got involved in our program. They followed our methodology. They stay in contact with our office. You and I still receive emails from them. So that they stay in contact with our office via telephone. They stay in contact with our office via email. And again, I think our program is more thorough than any other program out there because of all of the resources we have between the online resources and the home study resources and the online trainings and the live trainings and the fact that we have advisors that they can communicate with gives our students every possible resource they need and that we have for them to succeed at this program. And I don't know of another program that is this thorough to help a person. Again, it's because we're in business for 2 decades.
Well, one of the things one of the things we're also going to do for those of you that get involved today, and only those of you getting involved today, we'll extend your membership. Instead of doing a 1-year program, we'll extend it a lifetime.
Let's explain that too.
Yeah.
Again, what that means is that toll-free 800 number will work for you for a lifetime. And so we want you guys to. We don't want you to feel like, oh crap, I got to hurry up and do something in the first 12 months, or I can't call their office.
Right.
I can't send them an email.
No.
And that's just not.
One of our students can call us at any time they want.
Hey, and if you got for anyone on the fence right now, go sign up now. We have 1 slot left out of the 20, and we're shutting down registration. If you're on the fence right now, go now. Show them the payment options one more time so that everyone understands how they work. Again, so if you're going to pay in full today, you put $1,495 down, or we have the 3-pay option, which is $895 down and 2 payments of $450. And then we bill you the $450 in 30 days, and we bill you the second $450 in 60 days.
Hang on one second, Tony. The 20, we've hit the 20 mark.
So people are going to start getting on the waiting list.
Right, you start getting on the waiting list. What if we did this? What if we open up a second class on this?
Well, we can do that. We can open up a second class. We had this discussion a few minutes before the call. We were deciding whether we would, depend on how fast people enroll. And so we'll open up second class, but it'll start a few days later than the first class.
Right.
So again, or they have to wait 4 weeks.
Right.
So again, we can open up a second class. It won't be on the same day as the other class. So we can do that.
Yeah. So click that button, get yourself rolling. We'll get you into the class, and we'll look forward to working with you.
So we're gonna we're definitely gonna open up a second class because we have more people signing up than we thought would happen that quickly. So we will open up a second class. We will shut down registration. We're not going to open up a third. So just so you guys understand, this is not like a marketing ploy and they're going to keep opening up more classes. No, this is the only other class we're opening. So we're going to open up the second class. When this second class is full, registration is done, and everyone else will absolutely, definitely, without exception, have to go on our priority waiting list. The way the waiting list will work is this: the first people on are the first people in line for the third class.
Right.
And that's the way it's going to work.
Yep,
and then again, remembering that everything is, you have our 100% money back guarantee.
Absolutely. You can either do one or two things.
So far, I have not seen anybody.
The full amount of $1,495, or do the 3 payment option. Those are your two
They're
options.
recyclable,
Either
but
one
they have to
going
be
to get you
separate
the
from
kit
everything
right now.
Exactly.
To get you started with the
I think
webinar,
it's just on my lamp.
the
Don't
DVDs, the CDs, the tax lien Bible. And
Who wants to
everything.
waste water?
So first of all, I want to say congratulations to everyone who's already enrolled.
Absolutely.
The first 5 that enrolled, I want to say congratulations to you, and I'm going to look forward to having a conversation with you, or Sean having a conversation with you in the very near future. And I promise you, it'll be an extremely valuable conversation. We look forward to seeing you at our live events.
Yep.
We look forward to seeing you on our online trainings as well. We want to congratulate you on taking action and taking action towards your own personal financial freedom. We look forward to working with you in the very, very near future. And with that, just a last call for alcohol.
Yep.
Press the button.
Make it happen.
Fill out the order form,
Whoa, we always
and
never
we'll be
bring
connecting
stuff.
with you guys
We only
again
bring one or
in the very near future.
This is Sean and Tony saying God bless and good luck.
Have a good night. Take care. God bless.
You and I